Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of UK 1 penny coins from 1913, specifically focusing on coins in good condition and the rare black shade normal condition coins. Ever wondered about their value at heritage auctions? Let's get started. First, let's take a closer look at the 1913 UK 1 penny coin in excellent condition. As you can see, this coin is in remarkable shape for its age. The details are crisp, and the coin has been well preserved over the years. Now, what makes this coin truly special is its rarity. Only a limited number of these coins were minted in 1913, making them highly sought after by collectors. In this condition, at heritage auctions, a 1913 UK 1 penny coin in good condition can fetch a significant value. Collectors are willing to pay top dollar for such well-preserved pieces due to their scarcity and historical significance. The value of these coins is influenced by factors like rarity, grade, good condition, and historical significance. A 1913 penny in mint condition, or close to it, can easily fetch £300,000 at auction. Next, let's talk about the 1913 UK 1 penny coin in black shade normal condition. Now, finding one of these coins is like discovering a hidden gem. The black shade, often caused by toning or patina, gives the coin a unique appearance. It's important to note that coins with natural toning, like this black shade, are highly valued by collectors for their distinctive look. Although this coin may not be in perfect mint condition, its rarity and unusual black shade make it incredibly desirable among numismatists. At heritage auctions, the value of a 1913 UK 1 penny coin with such a rare attribute can soar, and collectors are always on the lookout for these exceptional pieces to add to their collections. Even in normal condition, a black-shaded 1913 penny can command a premium at auctions. Depending on its grade and other factors, it can easily be worth several £600,500 or more. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Happy collecting!